Understanding, run before the storm. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, run before the storm. This expression is not just about weather, but it's packed with meaning and used in various contexts. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. At first glance, run before the storm seems to suggest the idea of escaping or moving quickly before a storm arrives. However, in a metaphorical sense, this phrase is often used to describe a situation where someone is trying to avoid trouble or difficult circumstances that are looming on the horizon. The key components of this phrase are run. This implies taking action or moving quickly. Before, this indicates timing, suggesting that the action takes place before something else happens. The storm. While this can refer to an actual storm, metaphorically, it represents any impending trouble or challenge. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. In personal contexts, she decided to leave the company and run before the storm, knowing that the upcoming merger would lead to massive layoffs. In political contexts, the politician chose to resign and run before the storm of the scandal could break out and ruin his career. In financial contexts, investors started selling their shares to run before the storm predicted by the economic downturn. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various situations, always carrying the idea of preemptive action to avoid anticipated difficulties. Learning and using phrases like run before the storm can significantly enrich your English vocabulary and make your language use more nuanced and expressive. It helps convey not just the action being taken but also the anticipation and response to future events or problems. This phrase can add a layer of sophistication to your conversations and writing. We hope this exploration of the phrase, run before the storm, has been enlightening. Phrases like this are what make English a rich and vibrant language, full of depth and subtlety. Remember, the key to mastering English is not just learning the words but understanding the stories and emotions they convey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!